Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch alloys, black MB Tex interior, sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 18,080 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.